I did a comparison online, and your company was one of the ones that came up as a recommended installer. Because you were local to me as well, that's one of the reasons that I contacted you. She was very thorough. She was here almost 4 hours. So we were discussing options, giving us alternatives that we'd not considered. So I think we've ended up with a really good system. If we'd have gone for one of the other companies, I think we'd have just ended up with what I initially thought I wanted, which was just panels on the garage. But we've ended up with some on the bungalow now, from Tracy's suggestion. The tiles on the bungalow are quite delicate, and they just crack as soon as anybody just, puts any pressure on them. So I didn't really want heavy panels on the bungalow roof, so I thought if I just do it on the garage, hopefully that'll be enough to generate, enough solar for us. But after Tracy assured us that any breakages will be replaced and everything, we decided to get some on the bungalow, and we've not had an issue. Very efficient, seemed to know what I was talking about, cracked on. They came when they were meant to, no delays. We had the electrician come as well, so they all worked together, and it was a long day. The electrician was still here at gone 6:30. It was a bit more complicated where the wiring wanted routing, but went okay. Well, he actually came back on a different day because it was late when he'd finished. He came back especially to talk me through the system. And it's not a really good time of year, is it, to base much on, but we've had a couple of bills. First one, we've saved £27, but we've got no export set up at that time. Octopus were a bit delayed in getting that set up. But then we've saved more on the next bill. So it cost us about £22 the last month. I just wanted to cover my electricity bill, really, and try and bring that down. So we thought it was a good investment. Hopefully it'll get paid off pretty quick.